Hey YouTube, in this video guys, I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak your device on iOS 14.4 and lowest using the new Uncover and the Fugu 14 jailbreak that was just released a couple weeks ago. I know there's been tutorials, but if you guys haven't seen this or seen a tutorial yet, here's one for you. It's pretty simple. So first you guys got to do, you need a computer to install AltStore if you guys don't already have it. Then after that, you're going to go all the way and you're going to install the Uncover jailbreak. So you're gonna install that, go to the website, you're gonna hit download, and you are going to install it on the AltStore. Yeah, my sexy wife right there. So yeah, so after you do that, guys, it is on the AltStore. And once you click on it, guys, it's gonna show you this. So you're gonna install on a tethered jailbreak. So after you guys do that, it is going to install an application that looks just like this, Fugu 14. So you're gonna click on it, and you're gonna hit up set up Fugu, and it's gonna run. It's gonna be like set up done. So please open AltStore. So now we're gonna go to AltStore. Let's see. Let me do this one more time and see what this does. Okay. So let's close that. Let's go back into AltStore. It is gonna take a couple tries, guys. It took me about 4 tries to do it. So let's see what it does this time. So we're gonna click on it again. Okay, so now AltStore. Okay, let me see, guys. One more sec. Go here. Okay, boom. All right, guys, let me connect my phone back to my device, my phone back to my computer. So give me 1 second, okay? All right, guys, so now we're right here installing a cover placeholder. Just give it a couple seconds to see what it does. Okay, continue in app. So now we're gonna continue in app. So let's see if Uncover has installed. But it has not, so let's see. So we're gonna continue in app. We've already done this, so now it's patching it. Okay, there we go. So now it's downloading firmware. I closed out of I shouldn't have closed out of AltStore, that's my fault. But we redid it. So now we're patching Uncover placeholder. Please do not turn off the screen or leave the app until patching is complete. As you can see, it's downloading iOS firmware right now. Let's hope AltStore doesn't mess me up, because I don't know, for some reason when I'm connected to my computer, AltStore like goes in and out. So if it does, guys, we're just, like I said, we're gonna retry. It did take me 4 times the first time to do it. This is my second time doing it. Watch, it's gonna pop up with a fucking AltStore error. But let's see really quick, guys. Okay. See, AltStore. So watch. So let me connect it one more time. So I connected it. Let's try it one more time, guys. Let's see. As you can see, it's syncing right now. I don't know why. I think it's just my computer, but if you have the same issue, let me know, because I don't know if it's the application that's causing it or if it's iTunes on the computer. But patching placeholder app, continue in app. So we're gonna open placeholder. Let's see, because it's already done. So now we're gonna install untethered. See, so it's doing all that. Okay, we're gonna reboot my device now. So give me 1 second, guys. I'll come back, okay? All right, guys, this is what it says right here. To continue installing your jailbreak, please open AltStore. So I'm gonna unlock my device. It's like my fucking code, because it's the boss. Okay, so let's see. Okay, untether installed. Please install Uncover. I might need to plug in my device again, because I don't know if it's connected to AltStore anymore. But we're gonna see. We are gonna see. Fucking my guys. But let's see, guys, how this goes. I'm sorry for like the cutting in and out. I don't have a seat. Look, I don't have a tripod yet. So give me 1 more second, guys. I'm gonna plug in my phone again. All right, guys, I think it's connected now. So let's check. It says syncing. So I hope it's finally fucking connected. It took me 3 plugging in and out. Fucking, oh my God, I swear. I need to see what's going on with my computer. But that is my beauty right there. I need to install more liquid cooling. As you can see right there, it's running out. All right, I'm gonna upgrade this soon. But look, okay, so finished. Okay, then now we're gonna open Uncover. So now it's gonna be right here, guys. So now we're gonna jailbreak our device. If this is your first time, congrats. If this is your second time, we did it. So it's jailbreaking. Let's see. Let's see, jailbreaking. This is gonna show that like that new app. It's like an ad, so I'm like, yeah, that's pretty cool, I guess. See, boom. So we're gonna click X, and jailbreak complete. So now we're gonna reboot our device, and that's gonna be jailbroken, guys. And there should be 2 applications of untethered or of uncover. The untethered one, that's the main one you're gonna use, because that one will never expire. Okay, so you could delete the other one or you could hide it in a folder, but don't get rid of the untethered one. Okay, so we're gonna unlock my device, and look, Cydia is back to where it was, right here. So it's good to go. And see the untethered application right there. So this is the one you will use to jailbreak your device. And if you guys want me to show you guys on how to unjailbreak a device, let me know. But Cydia is working, guys. As you can see right here, my device. So pretty cool, guys, huh? So if you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Leave a thumbs up, and I'm gonna start making jailbreak videos. All right, guys? Peace.